Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
They won't scare away the rubbish in the bins that they eat. But a parrot, they won't scare away the flowers either that they love to eat. But if this little bird made sound in flight, yeah, he wouldn't be able to catch those. A bit of a conveyor belt version of his trip home and just walk him on home. So at the moment, he's certainly showing you one ability that owls have, which is that ability to be able to turn their head 180 degrees out of the Australian raptor world because it has the ability to catch food on the wing. This means it can hunt for food sources that other animals may not be able to access. Like to help him to secure our food. What do you do? Well, he only flies lower. Ooh. If you were to look up as he flies over your head, he basically vanishes into the skyline, looking like the bright sun up above. But on his back, he's a very different colour indeed. And that helps to blend in with the canopy of the rainforest. Let's see if you do a little turn for us and show us those beautiful colours. Thank you very much, Renu. Because he is a very good looking bird indeed. Being a blue and gold macaw means he has a whole heap of animal adaptations to help him not only survive, but also to thrive out in the wild. One of these is on the front of his face with that big old... You probably have to give me about 30 seconds to break this with my fingers, but if I look and give it to him and start to count, 1, he's broken it in just 1 second's time. That's because he has half the closing pressure of a lion's jaw. His tongue has a bone in it, making his tongue as strong as our thumb. And when that seed goes through his digestive system and out the back end, it comes out in a perfect parrot poo fertilizer.
Bird box and see what wildlife you encourage into your own backyard.
What is this one? No. We are here. Look. That monkey donkey. Oh, bonbon. What about that one?
Have you seen that in Bangladesh?
Dancing, Amma.
Yeah.
Have you seen that in Bangladesh? Oh, look at the
Amma, are you sure it's dancing?
That's not dancing. They're cleaning their feathers. Have you seen that in Bangladesh? Amma? Look at the those are swimming ducks. Oh my god.
The birds are...
Yeah. Oh, look, that's ostrich.
Real?
Oh, no, 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 no. What is that?
Oh no, tell us where we are. We're here. No, hey.
They have a tag.
What tag? Yeah.
Who's making that noise?
That bird.
Which one?
All those birds.
They answered the question of what's the sound.